Welcome to the information about the A-level chemistry course at Ysgol Maes y Gwendraeth. You need 2 Bs at GCSE Science and a B in GCSE Maths to do the course. The AS course in Year 12 is 2 units, 1 and 2. The Year 12 exams then are both set at the end of the year, and they're both an hour and a half and 20% each. Unit 1 topics are shown here on this slide. The Unit 2 topics to be studied then are shown on this slide here. The A2 course then in Year 13 has got 3 units, Units 3, 4 and 5. Units 3 and 4 are examined at the end of the year, 25% each, and it's an hour and 3/4. Unit 5 then is a practical exam, which is 10% of the marks, and it's a 4-hour exam. The Unit 3 topics can be seen on this slide that will be studied. And then the topics studied in Unit 4 can be seen on this slide as well. Thank you very much for listening. If there's any questions, please get in